Do you experience the patterns of stress, anxiety, depression, or overthinking? If yes, this video is for you. Please watch this video till the end. In today's busy and rapidly changing world, do you think something is holding you back? Are you getting distracted so fast nowadays? Are you not able to focus on? Do you find it difficult to concentrate? Do you get overwhelmed or anxious whenever you go through certain challenging situations or hard times in your life? If yes, please understand that you are not alone. Lots and lots of people are going through these situations and hardship. They do not know how to manage their thoughts, emotions, and feelings. The good news is you can solve all these problems by learning certain tools and techniques that will enable you to think big, change your thought process, and change your life. You will experience a big shift in your life. I strongly believe that everyone deserves joyful, peaceful, and purpose-driven life. If you are seriously looking forward to change your life, please reach out to me right now. Please join my community for your transformational journey. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the best.